Hello everyone, my name is Ocean Ho. I'm the sales director of Dongguan Body Electronic Technology in China. Dongguan Body Electronic was founded in 2007. We are a modern, comprehensive, high-tech enterprise that integrates designing, production, sales, and various added value services to our customers worldwide. With over 16 years of manufacturing experience, we are committed to building an environmental friendly manufacturing brand and providing customers with high quality product and top of line services. We specialize in wiring harnesses, cable assembly, and all kinds of conductors. Our product service industry that covers aerospace, automotive, medical equipment, appliance, lightings, consumer electronic, telecommunication, new energy, and many other industries. Our factory has acquired numerous international qualifications such as ISO 9001, IATF 16949, SGS, CE, FCC. We have more than 200 skilled worker staff members, 9 production lines, and a monthly production capacity of 1 million pieces of wire harnesses. Our wiring harnesses, from raw material to finished products, are all UL certified and aligning with RoHS and REACH standards. We have advanced equipment and an experienced team. We focus on technological innovation and process improvement and adopt strict quality control measurements to ensure our product consistency and reliability. We provide in our alliance service to our clients. Our goal is to build a long-term partnership with all of our customers. We are equipped to develop, design, produce according to our customers' requirements. Also experiencing OEM and ODM services. We have a trusted long-term supplier, global no conductor brand like Molex, Tyco, and also we have stable supplier relationship with Intel, HP, Lenovo, and Molex, Tyco. We understand clear and painless communication is also key to our customers' satisfaction. If you are looking for a dependable manufacturing partner, you're welcome to visit us to learn more about our capacity and also our services. We look forward to working with you to create a better future. Thank you.